I saved the best for the last. The Breville BES870XL is definitely one of the best coffee machines out there, no matter if you plan to use it at a coffee shop, at home, or at your office. As mentioned by CNET, there are two types of espresso drinkers. The first set doesn't care where their elixir comes from, how much it costs, or how it's made, as long as they get it fast. A second group dreams about duplicating espresso alchemy at home on the cheap and are more than willing to get their hands dirty. If the latter sounds like you, then the semi-automatic Breville Barista Express espresso machine is a dream come true. To prepare a great espresso, the grinding should be both fine and quick. BES870XL comes with a burr grinder that can grind coffee beans in a few seconds and sends out their espresso within minutes. If you're a beginner, you'd love its two dual-wall pressurized filters that regulate the pressure and optimize the extraction, leaving you with a perfect espresso without worrying about complex functions. The Breville is a semi-automatic machine. This is an important point, as it can leave several otherwise programmable things in your hands, such as dosing or steaming. A semi-automatic machine is a great way to increase your overall espresso brewing experience, but if you're just looking for quick and easy, yet quality espresso without heading to the nearest cafe, you may want to consider another model from the ones we mentioned earlier. A brushed stainless steel body coupled with a 1600-watt thermocoil system allows the water and espresso to maintain an optimum temperature through the Elite PID temperature control. This makes all the difference when you need your coffee delivered with consistency and without a fuss. Even though this machine is a powerful, flexible espresso maker, it requires a little experience to master all the nuances. So if you've never used a similar machine, you're going to struggle the first time you use it. That's why I recommend you watch a few videos on how to use it if you're unsure. With that being said, it's up to you to decide if it's worth it for you. I would recommend this to extreme coffee lovers any day.